bitch, it's a polo socks. I just hit a lick, it's a polo flip flops. She gon' do a split if she pick it pop. He gon' talk that shit, I'ma grip the Glock. I been getting money, I been getting guap. Taking long rips, smoke a lot of pot. I get to work, never punch a clock. I tell these motherfuckers I'm getting money guap. See I'm ballin', lately seeing comments all I ever do. I roll and smoke a blunt for breakfast, you ain't fucking with us. I smoke a kush blunt, then I fly away, fresh fruit on the counter, lay shawty on wet. I've been rolling up, color switches up, shawty wanna die. Think I'm Machiavelli and my cup is double up. She say what the fuck, she be looking at me like she wanna fuck. I'ma turn it up, tell this bitch I ain't no turn it up like all on my necklace, gold on everything. Diamonds on me look like a championship ring. I got that Persian Guadalupe around my neck, and you know I'm smoking like I think I'm Snoop Dogg in the jet. Tipping as I eat blueberry, pomegranate, triple S. I've been catching checks. I was broke so long, you know I had to flex. I've been missing Sprite with the Advance. Thank my lucky stars, I'm so fucking blessed. Yeah, I got the bars, got the Xanax. Cloud Boy, Splash Gang, that's a fucking sack. Where the fuck my life go? Running in the plane, I'm sipping on the styrofoam. Yeah, rolling switches through the city with my eyes closed. Rolling through the city with my eyes closed. Where the fuck my life go? Running in the plane, I'm sipping on the styrofoam. Yeah, rolling switches through the city with my eyes closed. Rolling through the city with my eyes closed.
Man, fuck them kids, bro. Look around, bro. Look at life.
Man, you're right.
Man, you see these fine bitches over here?
Yeah,
You see
well,
these trees, man? You see this water?
I guess it is okay.
Come on, man. You got so much more to appreciate, man.
Yeah, you know what? You're right.
You're damn right I'm right. I can't remember a time I was goddamn wrong.
Man, thanks, little bug.
That's what I'm here for.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, okay, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gon' be a motherfucking snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet, they need coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah. I just ain't ever posted. I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since '06. I ain't cried since '01. My bad, like Six Flags, and your house is no fun. You can come back to mine, though. Your friend and Cupid is fine, though. We gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get, cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get, cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh,
She said she's 21, I might have to ID that. All my bitches come in pairs like balls in my nutsack. I remember riding around the city in a hatchback, looking for a problem with my young goblins. I'ma send them all to home with a neck throbbing. I done made so much money that it's non-stopping. Got my brothers on my back like the last name. I remember telling everyone I couldn't be tamed. Whoa, 6 months later I had stamped and now I'm in the game. Went from fake chains to diamonds in another lane. Went from can you take me here to screen out the lane. Went from down this nigga lane to remember my name. So I remember all the people who ain't fuck with me. They went to college, now all the niggas is history. I upgraded from gold to diamonds in my city. Right
likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I know, something only I know. I got superpowers, but that's something only I know. What I want is mine if I say it in my mind. I'll teach you if I had time, yeah. Do I got the time? No. Shit these niggas dream about is not even a milestone. Call up Dr. Seuss, I think they running out of rhymes now. Jugging and finessing, we've heard that 100 times now. Niggas keep repeating they so like they in a vine, in a vine, in a vine. Why they gotta light up? Say them diamonds dancing, homie, we know that it's rhinestones. I don't got a Rari, but my whip is really mine now. I don't got no thotties, but I know my bitch is foreign now. I'm from California, you can tell just by my Vans. My niggas about it, you can tell just by his stance. Don't throw no subliminals or he'll be throwing hands. My bro play baseball, I hope you know how to catch. I just heard my cue, ooh, they know I'm up next. Curly-headed cute, she sent me the text. Yeah, I've been the dude since I made a YouTube. Fuck a million views, need a view. Somewhere floating like I'm U2. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. With my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it, I really doubt it. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. I'm with my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it, I really doubt it. Haircut like the 80s, yep. Don't need a Mercedes to maneuver Uber everywhere. Bank account like, wait, let's not even take it there. My career don't make it fair. Ain't no elevator to success, I had to take the stairs. How you think I made it here? Climbing. How you think you make it here? Grinding. I chase after what I want and I don't stop to take a breath. You can't run up on me yet. You need to take baby steps. Who you think you playing with? Nigga, I'm a gamer, yeah. You should check my gamer tag. Fire spitting kidding, who you kidding? I will flame your ass. Call of Duty champion, do you know who you aiming at? Nigga, you my son, fuck around and I'll rename your ass. Get you to adoption, make your mama come reclaim your ass. Well, I guess that's a little harsh, but everyone can't be a star. Sometimes niggas gotta read their script and play their part. Oh man, damn, why is that so hard? I don't know, man. I just wanna play Assassin's Creed, give my baby what she needs, and watch my HBO shows in peace. Peace.